Buying your first home is both exciting and nerve-wracking. It's a major decision that takes planning, research, and careful budgeting. Let's help you get started. Are you ready to buy? How can we help you? How much can you afford? What's the right property for you? Number 1, are you ready to buy? You're ready to become a homeowner if you have the following things in place. A substantial deposit. The bigger the better when saving for a home. A regular savings habit. A solid track record of employment and a history of regular savings will make it easier to get a home loan. Pre-approval for a loan. Compare a few different loans before you decide. Ask your lender for a key facts sheet on each home loan so you can compare more easily. Once you pick the loan, you'll know what the repayments will be and how much you can afford to spend. Some additional savings. These will act as a buffer if interest rates rise and your repayments increase. Number 2, how can we help you? We are a first home owner grant approved agent. This means we can process your grant application at the same time as your loan. We have reduced upfront costs for first home buyers, including waiving the application fee and capping setup costs at $450. And when you do purchase a house, you'll want to think about insuring it. We can also help you with great home insurance deals. Number 3, how much can you afford? A good way to find out how much you can afford to spend is to review your household budget. If you don't already have one, use our budget planner to take what you've saved as a deposit, add in first home buyer assistance, if applicable, then work out how much you can afford to borrow. Work out how much you can comfortably afford to repay on a home loan each month and add a little bit more to act as a buffer in case of interest rate rises. Include all the costs that come with home ownership. Upfront costs like stamp duty and legal fees, ongoing costs like land and water rates, house and contents insurance, and repairs. One of the bigger upfront costs you may have to pay is stamp duty or transfer duty on your property. Number 4, what's the right property for you? Once you've set your price range, identify the suburbs that have properties in that range. It will save you a lot of legwork. Go to the Australian Property Monitor's Home Price Guide to see property prices in different suburbs. Then comes the fun part, finding the house or unit you want. Take your time and consider things like proximity to schools, transport and amenities, and the condition of the property. Before you buy, arrange for building and pest inspections and have the contract checked by a conveyancer or solicitor before you sign. Make sure the person inspecting your future home is qualified to do so, such as a licensed builder, architect or surveyor. Buying a home for the first time can feel like a giant leap into the unknown, but there are plenty of things you can do to make sure you don't fall into a financial abyss. Keep to your budget. Put some money aside for emergencies and take your time to find a place that feels like home. Remember, at the Credit Union, we're always here to help in any way we can. We'll help you get that dream home you've always wanted. Talk to your credit union today, where we put you first. Always.